settled in lands that reminded them of their homelands, with rich soil, lush grasses, and similar climates. There, they began making cheeses native to their home countries: cheddar, mozzarella, Gouda, Havarti, Brie, Gruyere, Parmesan, and more. Some of the first cheese-making states in the United States were California, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York, and New Jersey. Back then, production was done using traditional methods and in small vats. In the late 19th and 20th centuries, scientific advances and on-farm technology improvements created efficiencies that allowed for expansion at the cheese plant level. As a result, U.S. cheese-making facilities got bigger and bigger. The United States is now home to some of the world's largest cheese manufacturers. In fact, one single U.S. facility produces more cheese than the whole country of New Zealand produces in 1 year. Today, all 50 states produce some form of cheese, primarily in large, state-of-the-art facilities, as well as in small artisan facilities. While the U.S. cheese industry was born from European traditions, it is well recognized for its advancements and innovation in cheesemaking. U.S. cheesemakers are continually exploring, melding different traditions, techniques, and flavors to come up with remarkable and delicious new cheeses, such as American originals like cream cheese, Monterey Jack, Colby, brick, pepper jack. The list goes on. Today, the United States produces over 1,000 varieties of cheese, and the United States is by far the world's largest cheese producer, manufacturing more than twice as much as the top 3 European producers combined. The United States alone makes 1/4 of the cheese produced around the world. With a growing, sustainably produced milk supply, U.S. cheese production continues to trend upward. And the United States is not only the top producer, it's the largest single country exporter of cheese.